Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma says major reforms are now taking place in the state-run People's Television Network. Secretary Coloma told legislators that the network's reorganization will be implemented within the year. Bando.
The Presidential Communications Operations Office is the lead agency in covering the daily activities of the President, to include his sorties to the provinces and travels overseas. It is also the main information arm of government at work from the national to the local levels. In the budget hearings for its budget of 1.181 billion pesos for 2014, Secretary Sonny Coloma said this will fund the operations of 7 agencies under his office, to exclude the budget of the People's Television Network, which amounts to a little over 850 million pesos. It's a subsidy which will cover the reorganization and retooling of PTV. Secretary Coloma said the network's reorganization will be implemented within the year to ensure it fulfills its mandates as the only government television network for the people. Coloma said major reforms are taking place to restore the network's credibility lost under the past administration.
We want to serve as the primary vehicle for consciousness raising, constituency building, and social mobilization in support of the policies, programs, and projects of the presidency.
Reforms initiated for the past under the stewardship of Undersecretary George Silianco gained significant strides in retooling and programming. With the new generation of anchors and reporters, its share of viewership for news and public affairs has increased in recent months. Members of the Appropriations Committee cited the changes with the balanced news reporting. It's no longer a propaganda arm of government. All views for or against the government is being reported. Secretary Coloma said everyone is welcome to air their views on PTV.
At kailangan po yun dahil noong pong nakaraan ay marami po talagang mga naganap na hindi po talaga katanggap-tanggap. Yung pong mga ibinawas na GSIS premium sa ating mga manggagawa doon ay hindi naman pala binayad. Pati rin yung mga PhilHealth deduction. At marami pong mga pananalapi na nalustay. At inaayos po natin yung mga datos para mailagay po yan sa tama. Concern po natin, hindi na po dapat maulit yung nangyari na sa loob ng nakaraang panahon ay hindi na pangalagaan ang integridad ng ating government television network.
At nagpapasalamat po kami. Kasi nung unang panahon, hindi ko kami nakakalanding mo dyan. Hindi nga kami naimbitahan. Diyan sana ho, pagkatapos ng budget briefing, imbitahan niyo pa rin ho kami. No, diyan ho sa inyong mga programa dyan. No? Maraming salamat po.
Sa simulat sa pulpo, ang layunin ng ating pagbabagong tatak ng People's Television ay bigyan ng sapat na pagkakataon ang lahat ng sektor para mailabas ang kanilang mga pananaw, magkaroon tayo ng malayang talakayan ng mga mahalagang issue na kinakaharap ng ating bayan.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Obando reporting.